Well, I say the best part about this event was the collaboration and engagement with other technology professionals, understanding the use case and the problems that they have and how they address those problems. One interesting keynote that we had was Rich over at AT&T that provided us insights into how AT&T operate inside of their IT environment and how he responded to different cybersecurity incidents that his company went through in the last couple of years.
The Millennium Alliance is one of the best places to join, whether it's as a vendor or as an attendee, because we don't come here just for the knowledge. Yes, we do get some knowledge. The most important part is the wisdom that gets shared. Just the panelists talk about and I'm like, oh, let me take a note of that, or let me make a mental note to hit up so-and-so for this information so that we can see where we are at with that. The other very important factor, in my opinion, for us attendees is that we get to share the panel forum with so many of our kind, the CISOs, the BISOs. And once those doors close, we are pretty honest about what we face. And that is a big, big change from many other audiences that we face, where we have to make that hard sell that, cybersecurity, information security is actually important to you, because we don't have to do that here. All that is already accepted. We now move on to see how we can do this better, how we can do this in a more optimized fashion.
Millennium Alliance, man, this was a wonderful event, right? We was able to come together as IT security professionals and exchange crown jewels as it pertains to information security. Millennium continues to be a steward of the technology sector. They continue to move forward, move the needle, bringing together multiple different industry stakeholders with various use cases and experiences, the vendors and the roundtables, and the products that we had to review and sit down with was excellent. The platform was excellent, and I give them a thumbs up.